It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have our brown sugar box for the month of July 2023. Guys, this box is a monthly subscription box. It's more of like a black lifestyle box. It comes with a t-shirt in the box every month, along with every month they have a theme, and you'll get products for that theme, and it'll be full-size products. So every month is a little different. I've got things like mugs, cups, bags, concert bag. I've forgotten a variety of things in this subscription box. So I'm gonna get right into it and let you see what's in this month's box without any further delay. And guys, the cost of this box, I'm just going to say it's $50 because it's like $42 plus the $8.95 in shipping. And if you live in a state with taxes, it's definitely over $50 for you. So I'm just going to go with it costs $50. Everything's been going up. I can't kind of keep up with all these prices. So I know that the box is more than it was. So it's at least $50 now for this box, just to clarify, just to let you guys know. So let's get started. So guys, this is our little mini magazine. Instead of me using my phone, I could kind of use this. We can see what items are in our box. The box value is right up here. So the theme for this month's box is called the Soft Life Edition. And the value of this box is $152 for this month. So I'm going to start out with the item that's off to the side that you guys did not see, but it could not fit in this month's box, so they had sent it, had it packed outside of the box. So I'm going to start off with that one first. So let's start off with that, and that would be this item right here, guys. So we got a cooler bag, is what it's saying it is. Just chilling, insulated cooler bag. This is valued at $42. So let me take it out so you guys can see it. So this is our cooler bag, and it has a pocket on the front. You have our straps. They gave me the right color. They gave me purple because you guys know I like my purple. And it does have like the little holder here, so you don't have to hurt your hand. And it zips up. And this is a pretty nice size one too, I would say. I'm going to fluff it all out so you guys can see. So you can put a decent amount. In Delaware, we have a no plastic bag ban. So I already know that this bag will be coming with me to the grocery store because you gotta bring your own bags. So I'm kind of annoyed at that still. It's just annoying because now I can't recycle and have trash bags. That's what I was doing with the shopping bags. Now I gotta bring a bag. So like the whole trunk is just full up with bags at this point. But this will come in handy for me. Again, this is valued at $42. There were 3 other choices. You could have got a green one, an orange one, and what was the other color? I don't know. It looked like green. It looked like the same color again. So yeah, purple rain, brown sugar circles, or melanin love. So 3 colors. 3 colors it looks like. Oh no, it says natural creation. So there is a 4th color. I stand corrected. So this is the bag here, and I think this is a nice size bag. Even if you're like going on a picnic or going to the beach, I think this will work great too, because you could kind of take this bag and fill it up, and you have a lot of space to put a lot of stuff in here, which I think is really cool. So this is valued at $42. Let's go on to our next product, guys. So the next thing I'm pulling out, we have a Get Your Sip On Beverage Tumbler with straw set. So let's see what's in here. And this one, guys, is valued at $26, and there were 4 colors. There is it comes in Mind Your Manner pink, Black Siri Affirm, Black Girl Affirm, I'm sorry, blue, Peaceful Paradise orange, which is what I have, and the, what is this other color? Uninterrupted Confidence in purple. Now, I wish I'd have got the purple one. You know, I like my purple. But I have the orange one. So this is the Peaceful Paradise. And you can see like the little lady on here with her braids flying in the way. Because, you know, black girls, we got our braids for the summer and for vacation. So that was perfect. I think this is really cool. And, you know, nice cup to put my coffee and stuff in when I go to work on the weekdays. So value is $25, and it did come with this metal straw set, guys. So we have the metal straw, and we have the cleaner that goes with it. Now I'm still trying to get on the bandwagon with the metal straw thing. I know it's to help the environment, but you know, it seems like a hassle because I would have to clean it, and that's the part that I don't like. So I miss our regular straws. But yeah, we're saving the turtles. Yeah, save the turtles. So here's our straw set that goes with this. And it does have a hole that fits in here, so it does fit. Just so you guys know, but it's a great way to carry your hot and your cold beverages. So that's pretty cool, and that was $25. So let's check out our next item in this box. And the next one, we have Sister Smoothie. So this is a portable travel blender. How cool is that? This is valued at $35. So this came in 5 colors as well. Let's see. Oh, they did right with this one. They gave me purple on this one. Y'all know, I like my purple. It'd have been nice if everything was purple. But okay, so this is our little blender. This is great for your smoothies. If you're going to the gym and you kind of want to blend up your protein shake, that's something you could use this for. I'm more of a protein shake person. I'm not much of a smoothie person. So I can see me using this for like my protein shakes when I go to the gym and work out and stuff. So this one here, it says it's a portable smoothie. It's your new travel buddy that you didn't know you needed. And you know what? You can also probably take this with you when you go somewhere like the beach or something, and bring like your frozen drinks, like kind of have everything made up. Like you could just kind of drop a few cubes in here of your frozen drink, and then kind of add your alcohol and blend it up. But that's just, my opinion. You could do a couple of things with this. I just thought about that, so I was just thinking out loud. But the blender is rechargeable, it's easy to clean up, and it's one of 5 colors. They didn't say what colors they all came in, but they did show like a green one on here on the picture. So yeah, so $35 value. I think this is really, really cool. I like this idea. So let's go to our next item, guys. So the next thing in here is a wine tote for 2 bottles. Look at that. So let me pull this out. And guys, this is valued at $25. It says mix and match your taste. The double wine tote is perfect match for your insulated bag. Grab a bottle and let the festivities begin. So this is it. This looks a little tight. Let me grab a wine bottle and come right back, and I'm going to show you how these fit in here. Let me grab. So guys, we got our wine cooler, wine tote here, and I got 1 big bottle of wine, and I have, well, this is just juice, but it looked like it could be a wine bottle, so we're just going to work with that one. So this one is way bigger. Let's see if it fits in here, because this looks kind of tight to me. Let's see. Oh, it does fit, guys. Look, it does have some stretch to it, but I'm kind of forcing it in. I would have wished it was a little bit bigger in terms of the width where it's not being forced in. Okay, so we got that one in, guys. Let's see if this other one will go. And this one is going as well, guys. Okay, so I was able to successfully get 2 bottles in here. It does feel a little heavy, but that is 2 bottles of wine, so it definitely will fit your wine bottle. So if there was any question, we just resolved it. I think the print on this is really nice. You see the young lady with her crown, and a lot of colors. Is bright. It's fun for the summer, so definitely great if you're meeting up with your girlfriends for brunch. You can bring the wine. So let's go to our last item of our box, guys, and that is our t-shirt. So every month, like I was telling you, you get a tee, and sometimes they change it. Sometimes it's tanks, Sometimes it's a long sleeve shirt, so it changes. So let's see what we got. Oh, look at this. Slay the sun, honey. Slay in the sun, right? Yeah, slay in the sun. How cute is this? And they gave me purple, which is my favorite color. So I got my purple. I'm very satisfied. But what a fun box. I'm loving the print on this one. This is so cute. Like, you could clearly just toss this on. You going to the beach, have your bathing suit underneath and kind of your shorts on, and this is your top of the day. I think that is awesome. I really love this. I like the shirt. I think this is cute. So in review, we have our tee here valued at $25. We have our blender, portable blender here valued at $35. I like that. We have our travel mug here also valued at $25. We have our cooler bag here, and that was valued at, was that $42? And then we also have our wine tote bag here, which is valued at $25. So the theme was a soft life for the month of July 2023. And guys, this box is always shipped out at the end of the month, so that's why it's always like closer to the beginning of the month when you see me post the videos about this box, because it comes at the end of the month. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I thought this was a fun box. I'm really hyped that they gave us like a travel blender. I thought that was like the best part. Like, I like everything in here. I like the shirt. I like having these little cooler mugs, because like it's been so hot lately, like, and you really do want to go somewhere and take like a nice ice cold beverage with you. So I think this is like perfect for the weather. I like to have different options for traveling with my wine when I'm hanging out with my girls. So I thought that was great. And I like the cooler tote bag, because if you're going somewhere, you can carry quite a bit in this bag here. So it's not even like it's a small one. You can carry a bit, or you could go shopping with it like I plan to do. So guys, that is our box for the month of July. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you had a favorite item out of this box. I have a few, so I really thought this one was a good one this month. If you got this one, what colors did you get and stuff? I mean, are you a purple girl like me? Are you a purple girl? Or are you a pink girl? Or orange girl? But hit me up in the comments below. I would love to talk to you guys in the comment section. And guys, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. If you enjoy different subscription unboxings, this is a channel for you. I would love to have you as a part of my family here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I post. And guys, until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.